What's up? I just got the Ratchet and Clank collection. Brand new, still sealed tight. Ratchet and Clank collection. PlayStation. Includes 3 full games digitally remastered HD. Multiplayer, leaderboards, lobbies, matchmaking, voice chat, trophies. Outrageous galactic duo returns in high definition. Experience the explosive adventure that started it all in the classic PlayStation 2 trilogy, fully remastered in high definition. Includes Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal, voucher good for 10th anniversary Ratchet and Clank Avatar, and voucher good for access to Slag Keeper Thieves and Time Demo. 12, net headset, Fire 3D game, 1080p. Seconds. Up. That's what you're wondering. Sorry about that. This is a giveaway, but it comes with this. Like, there's only one code, and the code comes with both of these at the same time. I'd give away this, but I still want this. But yeah, no game manual. There's a game manual inside.